So this is how the road looks. Actually the DRLs are on, and that's the low beam. Those are the fogs. Okay, fogs off, fogs on, low beam plus high beam, of course. The lights are good, of course. On this road, generally, of course, I'm sure you would have noticed in my other headlight video, the street lights, you know, they generally work like 9 out of 10 times. This is one of those times when, you know, they are not working. Of course, once I go on that side, once I cross this roundabout, then you'll get an idea about how the lights perform under street lights. I was supposed to stop the car and just show it to you from outside for like 30 seconds. I'll do that here. And if all right, and I hope I'm not missing anything. No. I should have chosen a secluded spot. What I'll do, I was thinking of quickly shutting off the GoPro and going to that spot. I'll do that. No. So that's how it looks. It's a beautiful car, indeed. Alright guys, I hope you got a good idea about the latest Toyota Camry's headlights. If you like the video, do hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And if you have a question, please leave it in the comment section below. Oh, I should have shown it to you here. I'll quickly show you the rear camera. Yeah, so I was saying that, even if you do not have a question, please do leave a comment. This is sexy, right? Okay, now I want you to pay attention over here. Look at that. Wow. So yeah guys, I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.